Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to create slanted basin or slanted sink in AiHouse using free modeling. Right, so let's go to AiHouse. So in order to make the slanted basin or slanted sink, we need to use free modeling. Let's go to free modeling. Okay, so first I need to create the auxiliary line. So let's say we have a cabinet with height of 1000 including the elevation. So I set it for 1000 first for the height. Okay, and then I click on this side line to create the thickness of our basin of our sink. So here let's say I put down as for 100. Right click to cancel. Okay, right, and then to create the square shape I just use rectangular function. Okay, here click to the side line and to the side line. For the length, I'm going to set for, let's say, 500. And then the width, which is the thickness, I'm going to set for 100. Okay, right click to cancel. So now what is left? We want to create the thickness. I'm just going to use stretch function. Click on these faces and stretch it for, let's say, 400. Right click to cancel. Okay, now we have a box of our rectangular shape just now. So I want to use offset to copy this shape, the top shape. Just use offset, and I offset it for 90. Right click to cancel. Okay, so in this photo we can see there's slanted at the edges. So in AiHouse we need to delete on the first surface. Delete it. So you can see there's a gap here since we already delete the first layer, right? So you can use the auxiliary line to create the straight line for this endpoint. Oops, sorry, this one I need to delete. Auxiliary line, add this endpoint to the faces. Make sure it is 90 degree. Same goes to this side, this endpoint, and make the angle as for 90 degree line. Right click to cancel. Okay, so the line will be our indicator for slanted line. So we want to use slanted line, we can use line function. Just go on line. From this endpoint, bring it to the side line. And then the other one, connect it to this side line. And bring it to the endpoint. Right click to cancel. So when you connect, you will have this surface. Delete back the surface. And then you create the line for the slanted area. To close the line, endpoint, right click, and then the other side, this endpoint, bring it to this endpoint, right click to cancel. So you can see now the box is closed. It's a closed box. So we have the slanted basin or slanted sink. So just click on return. So you can see here we have the, before you go on return, let's say you want to put texture onto your sink, you need to group it. Double click and then you group it. Okay, then only you click on return. Right? So let's say you want to put the pipe, okay, the faucet. You can go on Cloud Library and then you can search for faucet. Okay, so you can use any similar faucet that you want. Okay, let's say I'm using this one. Just drag it and put it to my sink. Okay, so okay, so let's say you want to put texture on it. You can go on finishing, and then you can use any color or any texture that you want. So let's say you're just going to use the plain color for the texture. Okay, this one. So since we have already grouped it, you can just hold on your control button and then you release it. Okay, so the texture will be applied together. Alright, so that is how you create slanted sink in free modeling. Alright, that is all from me. Thank you.